Today, we will talk about what it means for something to be in escrow and how it works in financial transactions. Let's learn about escrow. In financial transactions, the term in escrow indicates a temporary condition of an item, such as money or property, that has been transferred to a third party. This transfer is usually done on behalf of a buyer and seller. In escrow is a type of legal holding account for items, which can't be released until predetermined conditions are satisfied. Typically, items are held in escrow until the process involving a financial transaction has been completed. Valuables held in escrow can include real estate, money, stocks, and securities. Escrowed items are most commonly found in real estate transactions. The property, cash, and the title to the property are often held in escrow until all specified conditions, outlined in the escrow agreement, are met and transfer of ownership can occur. An escrow agreement outlines the conditions and terms between the parties involved in the transaction as well as the responsibilities of each of the parties. Items placed in escrow are managed by a trustee called an escrow agent. The escrow agent, which is typically a lawyer, holds the assets until predetermined contractual obligations are fulfilled. Once the agreement terms have been satisfied, the escrow agent releases the funds or property held in escrow to the appropriate party. While the property is held in escrow, the buyer cannot take possession of or occupy the space. Real estate deals must clear a series of stages during the escrow process. An appraisal of the property must be conducted before the sale, and a home inspection may also be required before the property is purchased. The real estate transaction could also be held in escrow until the buyer obtains financing or a mortgage from a bank or secures the necessary insurance and other policies needed to complete the transaction. The funds in a real estate transaction can be held in escrow even on the date of the sale and won't be released until all parties, the buyer, seller, and the mortgage company, agree that all of the conditions in the escrow agreement have been satisfied. The intention of keeping the property in escrow is to assure all parties that the mutual responsibilities outlined in the escrow agreement will be fulfilled. Here are 4 key takeaways. 1. Funds or assets held in escrow are temporarily transferred to and held by a third party, usually on behalf of a buyer and seller to facilitate a transaction. 2. In escrow is often used in real estate transactions whereby property, cash, and the title are held in escrow until predetermined conditions are met. 3. Escrow is often associated with real estate transactions, but it can apply to any situation where funds will pass from one party to another. 4. Valuables held in escrow can include valuables, real property, money, stocks, and other securities. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.